Min Woo Lee is an Australian professional golfer who plays on the PGA Tour, the European Tour. He won the 2020 ISPS Handa Big Open, the 2021 Abrdn Scottish Open, and 2023 Fortinet Australian PGA Championships on the European Tour. He also won the 2020 Series SJM Macao Open on the Asian Tour. On 15 February 2026, Lee finished joint runner-up with Sepp Straka behind Collin Morikawa at the AT&T Pebble Beach Pro-Am, marking his best ever finish at a PGA Tour Signature Event. On 30 March 2025, Lee earned his first PGA Tour victory by winning the Texas Children Houston Open, beating Gary Woodland and world number 1 Scottish Shepherd by 1 stroke. In May 2023, Lee earned a special temporary membership on the PGA Tour. In October 2023, Lee won the SJM Macao Open on the Asian Tour. His shorter tournament record of 254 and won wire-to-wire by 2 shots ahead of Boom Saksin. 1 month later, Lee won the Fortinet Australia PGA Championship. In February 2020, Lee won the ISPS Handa Big Open, an event co-sanctioned by the European Tour and the PGA Tour of Australasia. Lee turned professional at the start of 2019. He played a number of events on the European Tour and had early success, finishing 4th in the Saudi International and tied for 5th in the ISPS Handa World Super 6 Perth, both events played in February. This were, however, his only top 10 finish of the season, and he finished 170th in the order of merit. In October, he has tied for 6th in the Genesis Championships on the Korean Tour. At the end of the year, he was solo 3rd in the Abrdn NSW Open and then tied for 3rd in the Australian PGA Championships, an early season event on the 2022 European Tour.